Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to gain public watch hours on YouTube. To begin, it is crucial to understand the platform's monetization threshold of 4,000 public watch hours within a 12-month period. Your primary goal is to create compelling, high-quality videos that truly resonate with your audience. Always ensure your content strictly follows all of YouTube's community guidelines and policies to avoid any issues. This foundational understanding sets the stage for your success. Next, let's talk about crafting truly engaging content. Developing a consistent content niche helps attract a dedicated and loyal audience who will return for more. Aim to produce longer videos, ideally over 8 minutes, as these naturally offer more watch time per view. Crucially, use strong hooks within the first 15 seconds of your video to immediately capture and retain viewer attention, encouraging them to watch until the very end. Now, let's focus on promoting your videos and engaging your audience effectively. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Actively promote your content across various social media platforms and relevant online communities to reach a wider audience. Furthermore, consistently engage with comments and questions to foster a loyal and interactive community around your channel. This interaction encourages repeat views. Finally, it is essential to analyze your performance and maintain consistency. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to gain insights into viewer behavior, watch time sources, and audience retention. Identify your best performing videos and use those insights to create more content that resonates. Most importantly, maintain a consistent upload schedule. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more, steadily accumulating those crucial watch hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.